The 5.4L engine is a staple in many F150 models, offering robust power and reliability. Proper torque specs are crucial for maintaining the engine's efficiency and longevity. Incorrect torque can lead to engine damage or reduced performance. Always follow the manufacturer's specifications for the best results. The Ford F150 with a 5.4L engine requires 14 to 30 feet lbs for spark plugs and 28 feet lbs for the oil pan bolts. The Ford F150 is a popular truck known for its durability and performance. The F150 Ford 5.4 engine has a V8 configuration. It has a displacement of 5.4 liters. The engine uses overhead cams. It produces a significant amount of torque. This torque helps in heavy towing and hauling. The engine also features a cast iron block. It has aluminum heads for better cooling. The fuel system is a multi-port fuel injection. This helps in delivering the right amount of fuel. Key torque specs for F150 Ford 5.4. Cylinder head bolts need a torque of 85 feet lbs. Tighten bolts in a specific sequence. Use a crisscross pattern from the center out. Main bearing bolts require 105 feet lbs of torque. Ensure bolts are clean and free of oil. Tighten each bolt gradually. Connecting rod bolts should be torqued to 23 feet lbs. Then, turn each bolt an additional 85 degrees. Make sure to use a torque angle gauge. A click-type torque wrench is common. It makes a sound at the set torque value. A beam torque wrench has a scale and pointer. A digital torque wrench displays the torque on a screen. Dial torque wrenches use a dial to show the torque. DIY torque settings adjustment. First, gather your tools. You will need a torque wrench, sockets, and a breaker bar. Set the torque wrench to the correct specification. For the F150 Ford 5.4, set it to 80 pound-feet. Locate the bolts you need to adjust. Use the breaker bar to loosen them slightly. Then, use the torque wrench to tighten them to the specified value. Repeat this process for each bolt.